Maganda yung mukha ko.
Yun, no?
Gusto ko nagkusunod na.
Just a chance to win your heart. You can set the bar beyond the
Sinunod lang pala.
I'll do anything you ask me to. Say you want to know, watch me learn to fly.
Mas bagay ikaw kumanta.
I risk it all for you.
January lang malakas
To
daw.
hold your hand and call you mine. Trying to be your man till the end of time. Oh, I'll do anything you ask me to.
Grabe si January.
Let's do it.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Grabe. Ano guys. Hindi masyado makita. Pasensya na po.
You know this one?
What's that? What is that?
This is the one.
Asan na yung isang mic? Chris. Ay.
I leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. They all been said before, you know. Why me? Just play pretend, like when I'm scared of what's coming next.
Paper game na daw. Ang anim na daw na leon.
Nothing
Bakit
left
pa?
to
Yung more pa.
Give me
Huwag na, tama na.
There's no tomorrow. All I am. If this is my last night with you, hold me like more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can't lose. Take me by the hand, what we do, what lovers do, and that is how it ends. But what if I never love again?
Uy, 7 na daw yung layon.
Dalawa na lang.
Uy, tama na. Nakakahiyan.
7 na layon.
I believe your honesty. There's joy in your eyes. Your eyes, they speak for me. No one knows me like you do. Only one that matters. Tell me who to turn around, run to the door. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Take me by the hand, what we do, what lovers
na ako.
Take me by
Oo, kasi buyaya tayo nito.
what we do.
Sinamon kasi natin.
No matter how the
Akala ko imposible talaga yung night. Akala ko yung oo.
What if I never love again?
Grabe.
One lion to go.
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang. Handa na.
Susuka na ako. Nahihilo.
One na lang.
Jello kasi lang.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano yan? Wala. Hindi ako makakanta. Nahihilo ako na suka.
Ah.
Guys, ba't gano'n nahihilo ako na susuka ako?
Ay!
That's the thing, no?
Sintomas yan ng charing. Nahihilo, nasusok, ha?
Ay!
Ha?
Ay!
Beba,
Pare-
patapon yung tsaa dyan, ha?
Ako.
Guys.
Karaoke's.
January, ano ba to? Nahihilo ako. Nasusuka ako. Love na love. Yes. Ay, Je, oh.
Ano?
Frank at
May
you.
mahamon.
Parang nasusuka ako, di ko kaya kumanta.
Some people live for the fortune.
OMG!
Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. That life's so full of a superficial. Some people want it all. I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for the fountain. Promises forever young. Some people need roses. That's the only way you prove you're loving. Take me the world.
Nagtanggal ng pilikmata. Sorry, guys. Cluster.
No one to share, no one who truly
We kiss.
for me. Some people want it all. I want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything.
Everything means nothing. I ain't got you. Nasa tapings. Ay, hindi. Siguro nakauwi na sila. Taping sila today eh.
Some people want diamond rings, some people want
Hi, January. Thank Thank you so much. Grabe ka talaga. Guys, baka mapagod na si Chris. Wala akong taping today.
Medyo,
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Actually, ako din. Ano ba
Sakit,
yun? Yung chicken ba?
sa kinain, guys.
Biglang...
Hot water!
some people,
Pwede mo kayo hot water, be? Pero, yung pwede namang mainom.
Pakikisabahan talaga, alam ko.
Yung pwedeng mainom na hot water.
Ay, huli sa mga Oo.
Hala, 9 na layo na daw. Diyos ko.
9 ba or 8?
Oo.
9 na daw. Pumayat ka, Christy, na may mukha mo. Baka na-acid ako, no?
And so I came to see it, to listen for a while.
Wala akong buskupan eh.
And then it was this
Sobrang init. Painom din.
a stranger to my eyes.
Sabi mo,
Praying with his fingers, singing my life with his words.
Kaya nga tulog na si Katie. Gusto ko sana makita pang gising.
Kill me softly with this song, telling my
Sa chicken oil, no? Dami ko kasi pinuhos ko yung chicken oil.
Ano yun? Sa tuhod mo?
Pilit mata.
Medyo mainit na ho.
Dati.
Mainit pa?
Hindi.
I felt the
Okay na rin.
flash with fever, and there is
Pagkuwatan mo konti.
Okay na ga. Thank you, ga.
I felt he found
Guys, pag umakit ako, hindi na ako bababa.
I pray that he would finish.
Hindi na ba ako umakyat, guys?
He just kept right on.
Tulog ako.
With his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing softly with his song,
Tama na, Chris.
softly
Oy.
with his song.
Pahinga ka na. Ang ginagawa niya. Uy, anak na tayo si Katie. Hindi ko na nakita. Ay! Tara na.
Tara na.
Si Katie, ako. Akitin ko na si Katie. Lo, tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Yes. Alright, thank you so much, everybody. Di ka,
Lion na!
baka magalit si auntie mom. Auntie mom tuloy si
Lion na! Nag-9
Okay,
ba?
yun na.
Ewan ko sabi nila,
Yun
Bin.
na. Hindi pwede yan.
Paano ba natin ma-check?
Hindi pwede yan. 9 na. Gawin na.
Halika na, tara na.
Game na
matapos
yan.
na. Tok na ako, Ben.
Ano yun, Nay?
Para makapagpa.
Mas okay ba pag sila ang
Hindi.
nagawa?
Dapat ibang tao. Dapat ibang tao yung maglalaglag.
Ang sakit naman ng chanelas mo, may Lego.
Ayan na. 10 na.
10!
Oh.
January, oh my gosh.
Kakatingin
Uy,
natin
yung
sa gitna
chanelas
natin.
mo, may Lego. Ano ba yan? Ang sakit.
Ready, guys?
Ready, ah?
Countdown. 1, 2. Nagkaroon may electric fan, baka lipanin yung papel eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hindi kaya. Red, count of 5.
Wait, not this shirt. This shirt is...
Mahal, mahal yung shirt.
Mahal.
Wait. Baka butasin mo.
Sa gigil baka
Mabubutas lang yan pag magulo ka.
Wait. Paano siya gagalaw?
Game.
Game.
Mali yung hawak ni Miss B.
Bakit?
Hindi dapat dyan.
Yan nga. Hindi
Sa
nga.
waist.
Dapat dito.
Yan.
Ayan.
Baka mamaya may masundot pang puta.
Ay, wait.
Baka may masundot pa tayo. Ganyan.
Dito ako.
Yan.
Baka may makasundot. Baka makasundot ka pati.
Oo nga.
Usog dito, usog.
Ito. Tapos dito. Wait kasi. Wait.
Yan.
Wait. Sige nga, ito-talk from kita.
Kahiro.
Baka kita.
Ayan na.
Bakit mayroon dito?
Because.
Oh.
Yan.
Tama. Yan.
Competitive.
Yan.
Teka lang. Ayaw nila umayos. Guys, let's do this. We promised them.
That's right. They're gonna get mad at you. You want them to get mad at you? You can't let them get mad. Don't make them mad. You don't want to make them mad.
Remember, Paldo Night.
Oh, hands on likod.
Ayun.
Yan.
Hawak sa likod.
Sige natin, baka mamaya makasundot ka pa. Teka lang. Diba, guys? Marang natin. Game.
Ready?
Wait lang, tali ko.
Yes! Game.
You swing and then catch.
Go!
You swing and then catch.
Ano to? Basagan ng itlog.
That's how you know that he's gonna be tame. You swing and then catch.
Parang party game ng bata.
Game! Game!
Can you imagine? Boom, bonk.
Siyempre, pag nakaganyan ka, diba?
Ano yan?
Baka may sundot-sundot dyan, kaya ganyan dapat, o espada. Merong harang. Baharang!
Ayan. Wala ka na sa camera. Ready? 1. Tatlo lang to. 1.
Ano ba? Dali.
Mag-mouthwash mo na daw siya.
Dito na lang.
Okay. Sabi niya, ganon. O, sige.
Yan na, dali. Ganon.
This is mine. One, two, three.
Yan, Chris.
It's safe na.
Buti na lang dito oras na wala nang 10 years old dyan.
Oh my God, di ko makuha.
Oh my God, we jumped to 10K.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. They came to see the swing and catch.
Doon
One.
talaga, gumising sila.
Diba,
kahapon.
boys? That's how you do it, boys. All right?
Swing.
You swing and catch.
Ay. Ganun pala yun.
Ay, ka na lang, hindi ko kita.
Yung iba hindi na-gets. If you know, you know.
Go!
All right. You asked, we do it.
So, 1.
Ganun pala.
Okay. 1.
Pwesto ka muna. Ganun
Yeah.
ka swing.
One, catch. Oh, he's safe na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Sabay.
Okay.
Wala pa nga ako eh. Ang bilis naman ng papel.
Ano ba yung... Sige, ako din.
Dapat siguro mas mabigat.
Taos naman yun.
Baba mo pa
One,
onti, tapos dahan-dahan yung pag...
one,
Baka mabasag yung mukha ko.
one, one, two, three. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa, isa pa, isa pa.
Tatlo yun, di ba? That's the
Guys,
three. That's
oh.
three.
Isa pa.
Tatlong try.
That's it.
Kamay sa likod.
Kamay sa likod. Kamay sa likod. Ready?
Tago. Tago.
One, two, one,
Ang layo
Yung
eh.
papel.
one.
Yung uso ko yung inaabangan mo eh.
Huli.
Huli.
Oo.
Omsim.
Yung papel yung aabangan.
And that's how you do it.
Yung papel, hindi uso.
O medyo paglapit dito.
Yung papel na dito pero doon dito na. Nahalata ba ako?
Nahalata, nahalata. Game. One, two, three. Naubos yung ano natin. Yung turns natin. Guys, this is the last, ano.
No,
Hindi kasi hindi counted
that
yun.
didn't count. I didn't even took up.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't get to took up.
Second try, second attempt. One, two.
That's not a lie.
Magantay ka!
Come closer. Right there. See? Right there. And then I'll come right here. Up.
Okay, okay. Steady. Steady. Catch the paper, One, two, three.
Hey!
Sorry.
She's touching.
Hinarang mo
She's
eh.
touching the paper. She's touching the paper. Because you said touch the paper, so she.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, second pa lang to. Second pa.
Oh my
Okay.
God, 11.
Ang liit naman ng papel kasi.
Naila yun. 10 na nga eh.
10 eh.
One, two, three. Go.
Kuha, be!
Guys! Na-shoot!
There's one more paper.
Last.
One more.
One pa. Sino may gusto ng
Ay,
Okay,
guys!
Good night, guys!
Si Jello at saka si ano naman, Francis.
Good night,
May
guys!
ginagawa yun ng mga lalaki.
Palgo si Mr. B. One more daw. Good night, guys! Thank
Kayo
you for
naman
staying with
dalawa,
us. Thank you for the
dalawa.
9 lions.
Ay, thank you guys. Thank you po.
Kayo naman dalawa, babe.
Meron pa isa.
Isa pa. May
They,
isa pa.
they give an extra lion.
Tulog doon na nakangiti. O ano, kayo lang hingiti na. Diyos ko, kung gusto nyo ibagsak ko pa to, alam nyo na gagawin nyo? Sabihin ko ba? Charing na. May isa pa ng turn talaga.
Isa pa.
May isa pang turn.
May last pa.
May isa pang turn.
Yeah.
Oh, ganun
Okay,
lang yon.
okay na.
Isa pa?
One more.
Check ko muna.
And we're going into the lightning round, so that means every lion, there's 3 more papers.
Hoy!
Just kidding.
Dami na daw puyat.
Okay, last.
Close up ko na to. Kuha kanina eh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kaya,
Salap tulog niya.
OMG daw. Ang galing ni Mr. B. Paldo.
Hold the night.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
January, thank you. Guys, good night. Good night, everybody!
3 more. 3 more papers.
Ay, uy, tama na!
Nawili.
Nasa notebook.
Tama na!
Dahil susulat, utang.
Additional yun. Half dapat.
Uy, tama na, Chris. Tama na.
Oh, 3 more pa. Magagalit sila.
Magpa na kayo. Tama na yun.
Ang daming
Tayo,
sumayan.
Pagay na tayo ng aircon. Okay. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Hug na daw, good night.
Good night, Mr. B.
Ayan na.
Good night, Mr. B.
Paldo!
Good night, January.
Paldo!
Good night, everybody.
Ang galing, nasalo yung muso.
Good night, guys. Good night, Jen. Night, sis.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night!
Good night, everybody. January.
Diyos ko.
Thank you.
January, thank you.
No,
January.
no, no, really. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you talaga, January. Sana may tip din yung nagbato ng papel. January, baka naman, oh, yung naglaglag ng papel, oh. Ginalingan ko din. Saka yung nagka-camera. Yung may-ari ng papel, oo.
Oy, good night na, guys. Bahala na kayo. How? Ay, thumbnail tayo! Picture. Sana. Okay, okay.
Tapos may papel? Or wala na?
Yun yung may pagkasan ba? Ito lang. Yan.
Or sila lang yung may hawak?
Picture?
Dali, ikaw.
Yan.
Ay, ganun na.
Ah, malapit na.
Wait, that was from the floor, huh?
No.
Ito na lang bago.
Ito kasi si Jeff, pinurot niyo sa floor eh.
Maganda ba yung shot ganyan? Pampan din yung... Okay. Tapos taas din yung tingin. Hindi, dito.
Tapos,
Kabila.
Ah, ikaw na.
Kabila.
Baba mo konti, tapos medyo magkadiglo.
O ano ba? Parang gigil naman. Picture na lang.
Picture nga. Saka ang tingin pa. Ating pout. Kuya dito. Focus mo. Alright. Video po yan.
Ay, puta ko na tayo. Ginago kami.
Kukuha na lang sila ng capture doon.
Walang hiya.
Ay, nandyan pa pala sila. Kala ko.
Oh my gosh.
Andyan pa pala kayo.
Pinagtripan ako. Thumbnail daw. Video pala.
Nagkukuha na lang sila doon.
Tama. Oh, screenshot.
Dito tayo, dali.
Good
Jet.
night.
Sama ka, dali, Mara.
Saya.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Take home.
Akit na kay Katie. Yes, akit na, guys.
Thank you,
Ate Mom,
guys.
please na tayo.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you so
Night.
much.
We hope you guys enjoyed.
Wait.
Good night. Say good night, everybody.
Good night.
We love you.
We love you.
Say good night.
Yung dance mo talaga eh.
Good night.
Good night.
Goodbye.